Hi friends, this is Miss Michelle. This week we're learning about zoo animals. A zoo is a place where endangered animals live. Endangered means that there's not a lot of them left in the planet. Vets and zookeepers help them stay safe and stay healthy. Today we're going to learn about 5 animals that we can see at the zoo. We're going to learn to identify their tracks by making their prints with our hands. Are you ready? The materials you're gonna need are paper, markers, paint, paintbrushes, and a glove. The first print we're gonna make is the paw of a black bear. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna paint the middle of your hand. Then you're gonna paint right between your fingertip and the end of your finger. And then you're gonna stamp, press firmly. There's your paw of a black bear. With a marker, we're gonna add the claws. Adding visuals is a great adaptation for children that need more than speech. The second print is the hoof of an elk. To make the elk hoof, align your thumb up to index finger. Paint 2 oval teardrops, one on the thumb side of your palm and one on the pinky side of your palm, leaving a small space in between. Then press down. Elks have split hooves to help keep their balance while walking on uneven ground. Labeling pictures is a good adaptation to provide a good start for early literacy skills. To assist your children in holding the pencil appropriately, add some tape to the end of the pencil and ask your child to hold it from there to facilitate 3-finger grip. You can also use large size markers or small pencils for children who have difficulty holding on a regular pencil. Our third print is the hand of the Pacific tree frog. Draw a line across your thumb to pinky finger. Then paint index finger down to the same line. Do the same with the ring finger. Then press. On the end of each toe is a round sticky toe pad used for climbing and sticking to surfaces. To adapt this activity, tape drawing paper to table or easel for stability. You can also adapt the position of the table in order to meet the needs of the children. Our fourth print is the foot and claw of a bald eagle. Bald eagles have special adapted feet and talons to help them grab onto their prey. To make the foot and talon, paint a line down your middle finger to the middle of your palm. Now paint your pointer finger down to the center of your palm. Last, paint your ring finger to the center of your palm. The lines from your middle, pointer, and ring finger will form a triangle on your palm. Now press. Use a marker to draw the talons. A talon is a claw. A claw is like a long fingernail at the end of the bald eagle's toe. Give your child a hand by giving them two choices of paint color as an alternate way to communicate desires or choices. Our fifth print is the foot of a Canada goose. Flipper prints work best with the rubber glove over the hand to create the web. To create the foot of a Canadian goose, paint a line down your middle, pointer, and ring finger to the middle of your palm. Now press. The Canada goose uses its webbed feet to swim to areas of fresh water to search for vegetation to eat. If you're finding your child needs additional assistance to do this activity, you can use a raw potato or a sponge to trace the animal print and stamp it on paper.